Hey my people, you know it's about to go down. Guess what I'm doing today? Opening another package. Wanna know? Say your girl get excited when she see packages, cause I just want to get inside the package. So let's see what's inside the bag today. And ladies, if you know, you know. If you know, when you see that word, you know what you're seeing right here. Sephora. Okay. So, my girl Riri, as always, people. So it's Fenty Kilawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. That's what's inside here today. One of the items. Let me just open the box here and show you guys. Let's see. So I got the Kilawatt Highlighter. I have the housewife, trophy wife. This is the Kilawatt Highlighter. This is how it is, ladies. You can see that. It's pretty. Okay, so that's one product that's inside the box, inside the bag. Inside the bag, one item, and it's the Fenty Beauty Kilawatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo by Rihanna herself. Next item from the bag. This is my foundation. This is what I use. It's the foundation 430. The shade 430. That is correct. That's the one I normally use. So guys, when you see your girl with a little makeup on, this is the foundation I'm using. Mine was finished, so I had to get a new one. There we go. So it's the foundation in the shade 430. I think I have another item inside the bag. Yes, I did buy another item. So I have the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Kiss R Luscious Lip Balm. The Luscious Lip Balm. And it's in the color Pinch Me. Pinch Me. Here we go. There it is. So I'll show you guys once I have these makeup stuff that I just got on. I'll definitely do a makeup. Someone, Nisha from Nisha James TV, she suggested in my, she suggested that I do a 5 minutes makeup challenge. So I might just use these to do a 5 minutes makeup challenge. So look out for that, people. And remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. You know I love you guys so much. Bye. 5 minutes makeup challenge is at the end of the video. So you guys tell me how I did in the 5 minutes makeup challenge. Leave your comments down below. Here we go. So first, I'm going to start my timer, and I'm gonna set it at 5 minutes. Don't know if I can do this in 5 minutes, but I'll try. So here you guys go. 5 minutes on the clock. Let's go. So I'm gonna get some primer. I'm using the Fenty primer. So I'm gonna put that on my face first. I'm not even gonna look at my glass here because my ring light is in a different spot. So let's do it like this. Okay, to all the men who wanna know how, you know, we ladies get dolled up. My God, I feel like this is a minute already. So I'm just applying some primer. I cannot see myself properly, but it's alright. Okay, we're at 4 minutes and 23. Then I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty 430 color in the color 430 foundation. And I'll take a little of that. Let me just get something else. Oh, I'm taking so long. I'm gonna use one of the new brushes that I just got here. Oh Lord, my time is going. My time is going. I normally use my other thing, so let's do the foundation. People, I'm not looking at what brush I'm using, so don't judge me. I'm just putting this thing on, using the new stuff. Feel like them something I gotta take long. No, sir. I feel like this whole process is taking longer with the brush. And ladies, you know, you have to make your makeup blend, so you gotta put some of that makeup on your neck so you don't have two tone. Your neck look different from your face. Oh gosh, people, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna use this brush because I need to go faster. Just say. And let's just rub that out. Drop myself in the eye. Oh well. Okay, so I am just gonna continue rubbing in this foundation here. And then I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty. I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty powder. So let's get my brush. Let's get one of my other new brushes here. And I'm gonna put a little of my powder on here. And I think we still have 4. Let's see how much time we have going. Oh my god, my time is running and I'm taking forever. Okay, 4 minutes. We're down to 4 minutes. Slap that on, stash that on. Voila. And then let us get, I'm just gonna, oh my god, I'm doing so much things. I'm just gonna do a little so, a little so, a little so. This is what happens when you're rushing, people. Oh, 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 oh. Oh my goodness. No, sir. I don't do this thing. Okay. This is too much up on here. But I'm just gonna still continue and see what I turn out to look. Oh my goodness, I'm not even seeing myself good. I'm a mess. People, I think we can say, I think it's safe to say that sushi has failed this challenge miserably. I think so. Because girl don't work well with this time thing on her face. Just saying. No, son, this is not for me. This challenge is not for me. People want to see my face. I know the time's gonna be up soon. We're almost there, almost there, almost. I'm just gonna blend, 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 blend everything, blend everything. Just trying to blend everything so this thing. People, fail this challenge, fail this challenge. And I got, this was one of the new items I got. This was my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Kiss lip balm. Let's just put a little on here. Okay, and one more of the new item was the Kilawatt Freestyle Eye, the color Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. So I'm gonna put some of that on here. Oh Lord, get a brush. Just using brushes because time's going. This is what you call simple. Men, you see what I'm telling you? Look at the time. Time is over. So men, as I'm telling you, when you not see on a female take long for get ready, just look how it take time for do this thing. And if you don't want to rush her and make she come out of the house looking like a crazy person, then that's on you. This takes a lot of time. Okay? So as you guys can see, it didn't just take me 5 minutes to get my face, which is still not complete, ready, but I'm just trying to finish this off. So that's that. I'm keeping it simple. Just gonna put a little gold, and that's it. You can put some on your neck to give you that sparkle, and that's that, people. And voila! This is my 5 minutes makeup challenge. It's like a complete fail. It's a complete fail, but you know what? Yep, I would say it's a complete fail, but this is how I look, people, with my new stuff that I just got. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and you gotta ring the bell.